going to talk about 1625 chord progression today. It'll be for studying, practicing rhythm changes. And 1625 is a very important part of rhythm changes. Rhythm changes name comes from I got rhythm chord changes, and it's a standard. Without further ado, let's hear our first example and talk about it. The first thing you're going to notice is we're superimposing D minor 7. That's because we're using a diatonic substitution for B flat major 7. Instead of 1625, it becomes 3625, which is still a version of 1625. Okay, let's go on. Okay, here in this example, we have two diatonic substitutions, okay? One of them is for B flat major 7, replace it with D minor 7, but then when we hit G7, instead of G7, we substituted it B minor 7 flat 5, which is a pretty common substitution. It's like a G9th chord. All right, let's go on. Here's an example of 1625 that's plain without any substitutions. That gives you a good outline of 1625 chord changes. After mastering these 1625 changes with all the possibilities with the substitutions, then you're basically covering a major part of rhythm changes, okay? And 1625 is a big step for that. All right, let's check out our next line. As you can see here, we use D flat 7 instead of G7. So, and we use D minor 7 for B flat major 7. So it's like D, D flat C, then F kind of thing, okay? But as you can see, it's a chromatic descending root note, D, D flat C. Let's check out another example. We're substituting F with B7. You can use any of these substitutions with each other. You can superimpose any of those substitutions, okay? So 1625 is pretty open that way. We see that in many standards. It's even in the blues. The last two bars of the blues in the turnaround area is 1625, okay? And my suggestion to you, check out these examples. See how the line is built, and try to come up with your own ideas after that. Practicing the arpeggios of those chords help, because then you can use approach tones, and other substitutions. So knowing where the arpeggio notes are, great, okay? And if you want more example of these 1625s, you can download our jazz education app called Jam. Jazz a minute long name, Jam short name, and we have it available for Android and iOS, and the download link is in the description. Let me know in the comments how you like these lines, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps us a lot, and see you guys in another video.